Design life to build the future. There is ingenuity in creation. Quality is supreme, and a green goes ahead. Hangzhou LEVI Decoration Co. Limited was established in 2009. It's a household enterprise integrating R&D, production, and sales, committed to the production of metal products, wood products, plastic products, hardware products, stone processing, and a series of high-quality products related to it. For Hangzhou LEVI, design is not just a drawing or concept, it is the soul of the product. In the pursuit of design aesthetics, LEVI adheres to user experience at the core, strictly follow ergonomics, to ensure the comfort and practicability of the product function, especially in the bathroom cabinet design, taking into account the realistic conditions for bathroom space restrictions. Therefore, we should pay attention to creating multifunctional and spatial optimization solutions in order to maximize function and comfort in limited space. Since its inception, Hangzhou LEVI has always focused on the concept of global consumption and environmental protection technology. Keep the interaction with the cutting-edge technology in the industry world at all times. Meet the different needs of customers at all times. Provide all-around product solutions and technical services to customers. Here, Hangzhou LEVI combines intelligent technology with product functions. Create LED lighting with touch screen control, bathroom cabinet with Bluetooth, stereo, and other functions, bringing a better experience to users. At the same time, the product is cut by 4-axis water knife, and then through artificial bonding, ensures that the appearance of the product is neat and practical, and there are no mechanical accidents. Ingenuity is the stubbornness of persistence. Craftsmanship is a reward of ingenuity. Here, every product of Hangzhou LEVI factory, no matter from the screening or raw materials, production process, quality control, packaging and transportation, and every dynamic production link, all strictly adhere to the concept of safety, health, and environmental protection, guarantees the quality of products. The current product range includes bathroom cabinet, solid wood paint-free, stainless steel, bathroom countertop, rock plate, ceramics, resin, marble, artificial stone, bathroom mirror, cabinet type, LED mirror class. Hangzhou LEVI combines environmental sustainability and ecological responsibility as a core criterion of enterprise operation. This idea not only constitutes a basis for corporate culture, it also runs through all production and operation activities. By adopting environmentally certified materials and renewable resources, the company is committed to minimizing products and the impact of the production process on the environment. Factory facilities are equipped with advanced air filtration and vacuuming systems, aimed at reducing suspended particles in the production process and other harmful substances, so as to ensure the growing sustainability of the production chain. The company's products are certified by CE, CQM, etc. Unique design by virtue technological innovation. Many important supporting projects have been completed, well received by domestic projects in North America and the Middle East. In the face of changing markets and consumer demand, we constantly innovate ourselves and develop new products. In order to meet the diversified needs of the market, we will continue to expand the international market in the future, adopt more innovative technologies, provide products with higher quality, more functions, and more environmental protection.